about your family. One by one, you are going to tell me two things. First, you are going to tell me the name of your parents, and then you are going to tell me how old are you. Right? You'll tell me the name of your parents and you'll tell me how old are you. Now let's start with Vijwal. Is Vijwal there in the meeting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Vijwal. So let's begin from you. First, you will give me your parents' names and then you will tell me how old are you.
My mother's name is Mrs. Juhi Mehra. My grandfather's name is Mr. M.K. Mehra. My grandmother's name is Mrs.
Your,
Nirmala
your,
Mehra.
your parents' names.
Father, mother.
Yes.
My father's name is Mr. Vikas Mehra. My mother's name is Mrs. Juhi Mehra.
And how old are you?
My
How old are you? Okay, thank you, Vijwal. Now let's come to Vaishnavi. Is Vaishnavi in the meeting?
Yes, ma'am.
यस वैष्णवी. वैष्णवी, आपको अपने अब आप बड़े हो गए, आपको अपने आप सुनना है मैम क्या पूछ रही है और आपको बताना है. बार बार मम्मी आपको बैठकर बताएंगी नहीं. अब आप लोग चिल्ड्रन बड़े हो चुके हैं, क्लास 1 में आ गए हैं. यू आर नॉट बेबीज. नर्सरी केजी में नहीं है ना, क्लास 1 में है. बिग चिल्ड्रन, सो यू हैव टू लिसन केयरफुली. Yes, Vaishnavi, you will tell me the names of your parents and how old are you?
I am years old. My father name is Mr. Deepak Gupta. My mother name is Mrs. Archana Gupta.
Okay, thank you, Vaishnavi. Now, moving further, we have Syed Mohammad Wali. Yes? Are you there in the meeting? Okay. Muhammad Ali Altamash. Syed Muhammad Ali Altamash. Let's hear you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, let's hear you. Give me your parents' names first.
Mr. Dilshad Ahmed.
Okay. And your mother's name?
Shahzeen Akram.
All right. And how old are you, child?
I am 5 years old. 5?
All right. You're 5 years old. Okay. Now let's hear from Shubh. Shubh Gautam is here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Shubh. Let's hear you. Your parents' names first and then your age.
My father's name is Santosh Gautam.
All right. And what is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Santosh Gautam. Baby Santosh. Baby Santosh.
Okay. Now, remember, children, when you are answering, you have to look in front and answer. Don't look at your parents and answer. You are talking to the teacher, then you look at the teacher and talk. Don't look at your parents. Shubh, look in front, child. Okay, now you tell me how old are you, Shubh?
Yes.
Yes, how old are you? I am. Say. Shubh, how old are you? I am.
I am
Yes.
6 years old.
6 years old. All right. So Shubh is 6 years old. Fine, Shubh. Thank you. Now let's move further. Sakina is here. Sakina, are you there in the meeting?
Ma'am, ask us what.
I'm calling out the names one by one. Wait for your turn. You don't have to start speaking. Sakina, are you there in the meeting, child? No. All right. So moving ahead, we have Ria. Ria is here in the meeting. Let's hear you, Ria. First, you give me the names of your parents.
My father name is Mr. Rakesh Sonkar. My mother name is Mrs. Nilima Sonkar.
And I am. How old are
I
you?
I am 6 years old.
You are 6 years old. Okay, thank you. Ronik, let's hear you. Ronik is here in the meeting.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ronik, let's hear you. Give me the names of your parents first. Ronik, switch on your mic.
My father name is Mr. Nitin Rastogi. My mother name is uh, my mother name is Mrs. Ratna Rastogi.
Okay. And how old are you?
I am 5 years old.
You are 5 years old. All right. All right, let's hear Pranjali. Pranjali, are you there in the meeting? Pranjali, are you there in the meeting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, let's hear you. You will first give me the names of your parents and then you will tell me how old are you.
My mother name is Sanju Kumari. My father name is Dr. Rakesh Kumar.
Okay.
I am 5 years old.
All right. Thank you. Now we have Omansh. Omansh Agarwal is here.
My mother's name is Mrs. Rupam Agarwal. My father's name is Mr. Mugul Agarwal. I am 5 years old.
Okay. Thank you. Let's hear from Mohammad Arham now. Let's hear
Yes,
from
ma'am.
Mohammad Arham.
My name is Mohammad Arab.
Yes.
My father name is Mohammad Arshad. My mother name is Tadaf. I am 5 years old.
And you are 5 years old. You are all 5 years old. Okay.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
let's hear from Meher. We have Meher in the meeting.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's hear you.
My father name is Mr. Sayyid Sabate Tahin Naqvi. My mother name is Mrs. Aram Fatma Naqvi. I am 5 years old.
Okay, thank
Thank
you,
you.
Meher. Let's hear Manjeet now. Thank you. Manjeet is here.
Yes. My name is Manjit Mana and my father name is Mr. Naveen Mana and my mother name is Mrs. Susi. I am 6 years old. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Let's hear Mahira Fazal. Mahira Fazal.
Hi, ma'am.
Yes, Mahira, good morning. Let's hear you.
My mother name is Zeba Fazal. My father name is Fazal Mateen. I am
Yes. How old are you?
I am 5 years old.
Okay, thank you. Now let's hear it
Thank you.
from Krishita. Thank you. Krishita. Krishita Somani. Krishita is here?
Yes.
Yes, Krishita. Krishita, let's hear you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Krishita, let's hear you. Tell me the names of your parents, Krishita, first. And then you tell me how old are you.
I am 6 years old.
Okay.
My father's name is Mrs. Shiv Somani.
Okay.
My mother's name is Mr. Neetu Somani.
Okay, thank you. Let's hear it from Inaya Khan now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
My father name is Mr. Saif Mohammed Khan. My mother name is Mrs. Asma Khan.
Okay. And how old are you?
I am 6 years old.
Okay, you're 6 years old. That's nice. Now, Hardik Gupta has also joined. He was not there in the first period. Hardik, are you there now? Hardik, I can see you there.
My father name is Andika Gupta.
Okay.
Father name is Saval Gupta.
My father's name is Hardik. Look in front. Hardik, मैम की तरफ
My,
देखिए.
my mother name is Andika Gupta.
Okay. What is your
My father
father's name?
My father name is Savan Gupta.
Okay. And how old are
I
you?
am 6 years old. I
Oh,
am 6 years old.
okay. 6 years old. All right. Astha, now it's your turn. Yes, Astha, put your pencil down.
Yes. My name is Ashish Kumar Tripathi. My mother name is Akanksha Tripathi. I am 6 years old.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome, ma'am.
All right. Now we have Arav.
Yes,
Arav,
ma'am.
let's hear you, Arav.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, let's hear you now.
My father's name is Ashish Kumar Maurya.
Okay.
My mother's name is Saroj Maurya.
Okay.
Thank you,
All,
ma'am.
and how old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
Okay, fine. Thank you. So it's nice to see that you know the names of your parents and you know how old are you children. That's very important. You should know about yourself. You should know about your family. Now, one more question I'm going to ask you. You're going to tell me what do you like to eat and what do you like to drink also you're going to tell me. Right? Sit straight all of you smartly. Now this time we are going to begin from Arav. Right? Sit straight all of you. Fold your hands. Okay, Arav, now quickly you will answer. You will tell me any one thing that you like to eat and any one thing that you like to drink. Ready, Arav? Give me a thumbs
Yes,
up.
ma'am.
All of you ready, children? Then give me a thumbs up. Sit smartly, all of you, straight. Okay, that's right. Come on, Arav, let's begin. You will say, I like to eat, and then you will tell me, I like to drink, and you will tell me. And don't look around at your parents. All of you know, सबको पता है कि आपको क्या खाना अच्छा लगता है, क्या ड्रिंक करना अच्छा लगता है, सबको पता है ना? Give me a thumbs up. Yes or no?
Yes.
You have to give a thumbs up. Right. So no looking at mama, papa. Look in front at ma'am. You will only look at ma'am. And Vaishnavi, I don't want to see you talking. Vaishnavi Gupta, if you have to sit and talk, then I think you will have to go out of the meeting, finish your talking, and then join again. वैष्णवी, क्लास के टाइम पर बैठ के आपको मम्मी से बातें नहीं करनी है. You have to pay attention when you are in the class, okay? Now mute yourself. And what are you supposed to say when you do something wrong? What do you say when you do something wrong, child? जब आपसे कोई गलती हो जाती है तो आप क्या बोलते हैं, वैष्णवी? Yes, that's better. Now sit straight and pay attention, all right? Yes, Arav, let's hear you. Quickly, quickly. I like to eat and then I like to drink.
I like to eat and chicken.
Loudly, clearly, I like to eat.
I like to eat chicken.
Oh, you like to eat chicken. That's very nice. And what do you like to drink?
I like to drink Pepsi.
All right, you like to drink Pepsi. That's great. Thank you, Arav. Now let's hear it from Astha. Astha, let's hear you. What do you like to eat and drink?
I like to eat pizza.
All right, you like to eat pizza. That's yummy. And what do you like to drink? Look in front.
Drink fruity.
You like to drink fruity. Okay, that's very nice. All right, moving ahead. Now we have Hardik. Let's hear Hardik.
बोलो क्या खाते हैं? I eat.
I eat
I like to eat. हार्दिक, मम्मी की तरफ नहीं देखना है, आपको सामने देखना है.
milk, dal roti.
You like to drink milk, okay, and you like to eat dal and roti. That's very nice. Healthy food, good. Okay, let's hear it from Inaya.
Yes,
Yes, Inaya, let's hear you. What do you like?
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I like chicken
Yes.
and I like juice.
You like to drink juices. Okay, that's very nice. Healthy. Okay, let's hear Kriday. Kriday, what do you like?
बोलो. I like it.
I like to eat pizza.
Oh, you also like to eat pizza.
I like to drink milk.
You like to drink milk. That's very good. You'll become very strong. Okay, let's hear Krishita Sumani now. Let's hear Krishita Sumani.
Yes,
Krishita
ma'am.
is there? Okay, Krishita,
Yes,
let's hear you. Yes, Krishita. I like to eat.
Yes.
Tell me.
Milk.
You like to drink milk. Okay, and what do you like to eat? What do you like to eat?
Apple.
You like to eat apples. Okay, that's very nice. All right. Mahira, let's hear you. What do you like? Mahira Fazal? Mahira Fazal, are you there?
I like to eat apples.
You
I
like to eat
like to drink
apples.
orange
Okay.
juice.
Okay, that's very nice. And let's hear Manjeet Verma. What does Manjeet like?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Manjeet. What do you like? Let's hear you.
I like to aloo kachori.
You like to
Eat
eat aloo kachori.
kachori.
Okay.
I like to drink milk.
You like to drink milk. Okay, that's very nice. Now let's hear Meher Fatima.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's hear Meher. What does Meher like?
Ma'am.
I like to eat. What do you like to eat, Meher?
I eat biryani.
Oh, you like to eat biryani and
Drink banana shake.
banana shake. That's nice. Great. Okay, let's hear what Arham likes. Let's hear what Arham likes, children. Arham, let's hear you. Mohammad Arham.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, let's hear you.
I like to eat chicken.
Oh, you also like to eat chicken. Now that's nice. Let's hear from Omansh. What does Omansh like?
Banana shake.
Oh, you like
I
to
eat
drink? Just a
pizza
second. Sorry,
and
sorry. Just a
cold
second.
drink.
Just a second, Omansh. Aram, what did you say you like to
Apple
drink,
shake.
child?
Apple shake.
Apple shake. Okay. Right, right. Thank you. Let's hear Omansh. What does Omansh like?
I like pizza and cold drink.
Oh, you like pizza and cool drinks. Okay, that's nice. Pranjali, are you there in the meeting? Pranjali?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Pranjali, let's hear you. What do you like?
Strawberry shake.
Strawberry shake. Okay, and what do you like to eat?
Banana.
Bananas. Okay, that's nice. What does Ronik like? Ronik, what do you like?
I like the pizza.
You like to eat pizza. And what do you like to drink?
I like the milk.
You like to drink milk. That's nice. You'll become nice and strong. That's good. Okay, what does Ria like?
Thank you, ma'am.
What does Ria like? Welcome, child. What does Ria like?
I like cake and mango. I like to drink fried something.
Okay, you like to have cool drink. Okay. Now, children, one thing I can hear from somebody's end, there is some sound coming. पेरेंट्स फोन पर बात कर रहे हैं. प्लीज अपना माइक म्यूट कर दीजिए आप लोग. Some children, their mics are on, and in the background, I can hear the parents talking. Astha, mute yourself. Pranjali, mute yourself. All right.
Yes,
Now let's see what Sakina likes. Sakina, let's hear you.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sakina, what do you like?
Um, mango and mango shape.
Mango and mango shake. Okay. Next, what does Shubh like? Shubh Gautam is here. Let's hear Shubh. What do you like, Shubh? शुभ आपको खाने में क्या पसंद है? मैम की तरफ देखिए बेटे. डोंट लुक एट द पेरेंट्स नाउ. When you are in class, you are looking at your teacher. माइक ऑन करिए शुभ.
Apple.
Apple. Okay. And what do you like to drink?
Chocolate shake.
Chocolate shake. Oh my, that's nice. All right. Now let's hear it from Syed Mohammad Ali Altamash. What do you like, child?
French fries.
Okay, that's something different. You like French fries. Okay, good. And what do you like to drink?
Mango shake.
Mango shake. All right. Now, what does Syed Mohammad Wali like? What does Syed Mohammad Wali like? He's not there in the meeting. Okay, let's hear it from Vaishnavi Gupta. Vaishnavi is there in the meeting. Vaishnavi, unmute yourself. Switch on your mic, Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi, your mic is off. प्रांजलि, कैमरे के सामने आपको बैठना है, मम्मी को नहीं आना है बेटे. Yes, Vaishnavi, what do you like to eat?
Pizza
Okay, you like pizza.
and cold
What do you like to drink?
drink.
You like cool drinks. Okay, that's great. Now, what does Visual Mehra like? Visual Mehra is here.
I like to drink Glucon-D.
Oh, you like to drink Glucon-D. That's very nice. That's great. And what do you like to eat? You like to eat? Okay. So, children, that was very nice to hear you all, to listen to all the lovely dishes that you like to eat and all the different things that you like to drink. Now, let me also tell you, I also enjoy eating apples and I enjoy eating pizza. I like to eat chicken also, and I like to drink milk, the various shakes. I like to drink cool drink also. So we all like to eat and drink and enjoy. Yes or no? We all like it. Give me a thumbs up. We all like to eat and enjoy. That's very good, children. So, and we like to do all these things together with our friends and family. We like to enjoy ourselves with our family and with our friends. So, now yes, the first lesson in science is going to talk about me and my family. Now, your science books, page number 7. Science books, page number 7. Science books, page number 7. You will complete that page. Where open your book? Page number 7, open your science book. Now you can see page number 7, science book. You can see Meher on the screen. You can see Meher on the screen, children. This page, all of you will complete it today. You have to write your name. You have to write how old are you. You have to write what you like to eat and what do you like to drink. And let me tell you, there are two little children over there and their little dog on that page. Fold your hands and listen to what they are talking. I'm going to read. I'm just going to read. You will listen carefully. Page 7, me and my family. Let us meet Ali and Anna. The boy's name is Ali and the girl's name is Anna. And they have a little dog whose name is Bingo. Hi friends, I am Ali. I am 6 years old. I love to eat cake and drink orange juice. Hello, I am Anna. I am also 6 years old. I love to eat apples and drink lots of milk. This is my dog Bingo. Now, this lesson is going to tell us about family. We will continue this in the next science period. For the time being, remember, you will complete this page number 7 today. And there is a small little photo frame given over there where a little beetle is made and it is written, "This is my photo." वहां पर आपको अपनी फोटोग्राफ पेस्ट करनी है. पेज नंबर 7 पे फोटोग्राफ पेस्ट करनी है. Mahira, can you please tell me? Lift your book, Mahira. Page number 7. Lift your book. And point to the page number 7, Mahira. Yes. And can you see this portion, children? The photo frame. Over here, you have to paste your picture. Mahira, point your finger there. Point your finger where the photo frame is. Yes, that's right, children. All of you can see? Now, everybody will paste a photograph over there. You will complete this work. If you don't have your photograph just now, अगर आपके पास अभी photograph ready नहीं है, तो photograph आप बाद में paste कर लीजिएगा. लेकिन काम finish करके, you will write your name. You will write your name. You will write how old are you, what you like to eat, and what you like to drink. These 4 lines you will complete. Then you will click pictures and send me. You will click picture and send me. हम ग्रुप ओपन कर देंगे और ग्रुप में उस पिक्चर को पोस्ट करेंगे. Now with that we come to the end of your classes for the day. My subjects हिंदी एंड कंप्यूटर आपका मैम आप लोगों को ग्रुप में लिंक पोस्ट करेंगी, तब आप लोग हिंदी और कंप्यूटर अपने क्लासेस ज्वाइन करेंगे. Right? For my classes, we are done for the day. So thank you so much. God bless you. Have a nice day, children.
Have a nice